This is a brief tropical weather update on this Sunday, July 22nd. Starting off in the eastern Pacific, the National Hurricane Center has highlighted this area well to the south of Mexico. This disturbance has a 60% chance of development within the next 2 days, but it is moving away and out to sea. In the Atlantic Basin, the Hurricane Center has issued a special tropical weather outlook. Within just the last 10 minutes, there is a tropical wave passing close to South Florida, and it does have a 10% chance of tropical development. Much of the Atlantic tropics are quiet, so all of the focus today is on the Florida Straits and southwest Bahamas, as we are seeing a convective flare-up near the region, and the Hurricane Center has noted that one of the thunderstorms associated with this tropical wave has produced a wind gust in excess of 53 miles per hour. If we take a more detailed look at the visible, however, there are no signs of a closed surface circulation, and as the Hurricane Center noted in the tropical weather outlook, the surface pressures remain fairly high. Also, the convection looks fairly disorganized, and on the water vapor, it still looks as though the mid to upper level winds are marginally favorable at best, but this tropical wave will still be closely monitored as it moves into the southeast Gulf of Mexico. In the meantime, this is a quick look at the developing disturbance in the eastern Pacific. As you can see, this system is well on its way to becoming the next eastern Pacific cyclone, and the next name on the list is Gilma. The latest run of the ECMWF model beginning this morning does not really show much in the way of a tropical wave near the Bahamas, although this tropical wave is fairly weak, so that is to be expected. But within the next 24 to 48 hours, we can see a minor vorticity max continuing to move northwest into the northern Gulf of Mexico. So this wave axis, in addition to generating numerous showers and thunderstorms across South Florida today, may eventually go on and enhance the rainfall chances out across the central Gulf of Mexico. Elsewhere, the tropics are likely to remain quiet in the Atlantic Basin for at least the next 5 days, but we also have this second tropical wave that is forecast to exit the coast of Africa, and this is the same feature that the models have been showing exiting the coast here for the last 2 or 3 days, and still the models are not showing any tropical development from this feature, but we will be closely watching it as it continues to move westward through the main development region. So just to reiterate, over the next 12 to 18 hours, interests across southern Florida can expect numerous shower and thunderstorm activity with wind gusts in excess of 40 to 50 miles per hour and frequent lightning. Upper level conditions should not be too favorable in the southeast Gulf of Mexico, so we are not expecting tropical development. However, this wave will have to be monitored as it continues to move into the northern Gulf of Mexico. So that wraps up your brief tropical weather update for this Sunday, July 22nd. Keep it tuned at 28storms.com and the Hurricane Tracker app for more tropical weather updates.